It's a beautiful fall day. I hope you just saw what I saw. There they are. The sun is out. Oh my God, I'm trying to keep up with them. Where did they go? Alright, so here they are, guys. They're sitting in the tree. And they're getting down on the grass. And I think what it is, they're just enjoying. Now they're going. They're at the other end of the field. Oh, my people, so I'm heading home. Just had to share that moment with you guys. I loved it. So I'm heading home. It's a little nippy. It's not as... It's a little nippy. Sort of a brisk wind. But the trees are... The color of the leaves are beautiful. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So make it a great day, guys. Make it a great evening. Be thankful. Be thankful if you're able to see the sunset. See how the sun is sitting up there in the sky. It's beautiful, beautiful. Enjoy it, guys. God's handiwork, full display.